Mars, our celestial neighbor, has captivated humanity for centuries. Its reddish hue, visible even to the naked eye, sparked countless tales of gods and monsters. But as we learned more about the red planet, our fascination only grew. We discovered evidence of ancient rivers and oceans, suggesting a time when Mars may have been habitable. Today, the dream of sending humans to Mars is closer than ever. Space agencies and private companies are pouring resources into developing the technology needed for this ambitious undertaking. The goal is not just to visit Mars, but to establish a permanent human presence there. This would be a monumental achievement, forever changing our understanding of our place in the universe. The allure of Mars lies not just in its potential to harbor life, but in the challenges it presents. It is a harsh and unforgiving world with a thin atmosphere, freezing temperatures, and intense radiation. Overcoming these obstacles will require ingenuity, determination, and a spirit of collaboration rarely seen in human history. But the rewards, both scientific and philosophical, make it a journey worth taking. The race to Mars is on, with multiple players vying for the chance to make history. NASA, the United States Space Agency, has been a pioneer in Mars exploration for decades, sending robotic rovers and landers to study its surface and atmosphere. Their current Artemis program aims to establish a sustainable presence on the Moon, which will serve as a stepping stone for future missions to Mars. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, is another major contender in the race to Mars. Their ambitious goal is to create a self-sustaining city on Mars, capable of supporting a population of 1 million people. SpaceX is developing the Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed to transport humans and cargo to Mars and beyond. Other space agencies, including those of Europe, China, and Russia, are also developing their own Mars exploration programs. This global effort reflects the international significance of Mars exploration and the shared dream of expanding humanity's reach beyond Earth. The journey to Mars is fraught with challenges. The sheer distance between Earth and Mars is daunting. At their closest approach, the two planets are still millions of miles apart. A one-way trip to Mars would take around 7 months, exposing astronauts to prolonged weightlessness, cosmic radiation, and the psychological stress of confinement. The Martian environment itself is harsh and unforgiving. The thin atmosphere provides little protection from solar radiation or meteoroids. Temperatures can plummet to -200 degrees Fahrenheit, or -129 degrees Celsius, and dust storms can engulf the entire planet for months at a time. Landing on Mars safely and establishing a habitable outpost will require overcoming these formidable obstacles. Despite the challenges, engineers and scientists around the world are developing innovative solutions to make Mars exploration a reality. Advanced propulsion systems such as ion engines and nuclear thermal rockets are being researched to reduce travel time to Mars. These technologies could potentially cut the journey down to a matter of months, minimizing the risks associated with prolonged space travel. Protecting astronauts from radiation is another major concern. Spacecraft could be equipped with radiation shielding, and habitats on Mars could be built underground or within natural caves for added protection. Scientists are also investigating the use of artificial magnetic fields to deflect harmful radiation. Section 5. Living off the land. The quest for Martian resources. To establish a sustainable presence on Mars, future explorers will need to utilize the resources available on the planet. The Martian soil, though toxic in its natural state, can be treated and used for growing crops. Water ice detected beneath the surface could be extracted and purified for drinking and irrigation. The atmosphere of Mars, though thin, contains carbon dioxide, which can be converted into oxygen through processes like electrolysis or the use of specialized plants. By learning to live off the land, Martian colonists could reduce their reliance on supplies from Earth, paving the way for a truly self-sufficient settlement. Section 6. The human factor, risks to health and mind. The challenges of Mars exploration go beyond the technical. Prolonged space travel and life on Mars can take a toll on the human body. Muscle and bone loss are common side effects of living in a low-gravity environment. Radiation exposure can increase the risk of cancer and other health problems. The psychological impact of living in a confined and isolated environment far from home should not be underestimated. astronauts will need to be carefully selected and trained to cope with the mental and emotional stresses of a mission to Mars. Creating a sense of community and purpose will be crucial for the well-being of the crew. Section 7. Pushing the boundaries of technology. Mars exploration is driving innovation in various fields, pushing the boundaries of what's technologically possible. Three-dimensional printing is being explored as a way to construct habitats and other structures on Mars using local materials. Robotics and artificial intelligence will play a crucial role in exploration, assisting astronauts with tasks, and potentially even conducting scientific research independently. Advances in life support systems such as water recycling and oxygen generation will be essential for long-duration missions and permanent settlements. The knowledge gained from developing these technologies will not only benefit space exploration, but also have applications here on Earth, particularly in areas like sustainable living and resource management. Section 8. The significance of Mars unveiling secrets, ensuring our future. Exploring Mars is about more than just planting a flag on another planet. It is about unraveling the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. By studying Mars, we can learn more about the history of our own solar system and the conditions that led to the emergence of life on Earth. Furthermore, establishing a human presence on Mars could serve as an insurance policy for humanity. As we confront global challenges such as climate change and resource depletion, having a backup plan becomes increasingly important. A self-sustaining colony on Mars could provide a refuge for humanity in the event of a catastrophic event on Earth. Section 9. A giant leap for humanity. The journey to Mars will be long and arduous, filled with challenges and setbacks, but the rewards, both scientific and philosophical, make it a journey worth undertaking. It is a testament to the human spirit of exploration, our innate desire to push the boundaries of knowledge and venture into the unknown. Landing humans on Mars will be a giant leap for humanity, not just in terms of technological achievement, but also in terms of our understanding of ourselves and our place in the cosmos. It will be a defining moment in human history, inspiring generations to come, and reminding us of what we can achieve when we work together towards a common goal.